Hi friends! Being physically active is important for our bodies. It helps us build strong bones and muscles. We should aim for 60 minutes or 1 hour of physical activity each day. There are so many physical activities we can do, like running, playing hopscotch, and playing game of tag. Let's try this dancing dice game together. Before we start, we will need some supplies to make our dice. You can use a foam cube, a small box, or you can make your own cube using 6 pieces of cardboard, measuring 6 inches on each side, a few sheets of newspaper, tape, and activity cards. First, we tape the cardboard squares together to form a cube. Before taping the last square, use your muscles to crumple newspaper and stuff the cube. Now tape the last square. Now that the cube is finished, let's tape an activity card on each side, like so. Activity cards can be printed from your computer, or you can write the activity directly onto the cube. All done. Now it's time to have some fun. Roll the dice and complete each activity. You can play on your own to complete all activities, or you can play with your family and friends by forming a circle and taking turns to roll the dice. Try each activity for at least 30 seconds. Now let's try jumping jacks. Great job, friends! Now let's run and do a victory lap. Thank you for playing Dancing Dice.